VMware is gone. Broadcom is here. But your broker just deleted years of historical DNA. This is the garbage in reality. Mixed consideration is a tax practitioner's nightmare. AI guesses the terms. Fin-lens anchors the truth. We anchor the truth starting from the original June 2022 lot. Watch the surgical bifurcation of basis DNA. See Standard Edition Training Kit for details. Surgical bifurcation. $12,250 of VMware basis is split. $6,382.25 anchors to Broadcom stock. And $5,867.75 offsets your cash proceeds. Pure IRC compliant logic. The result? A certified audit trail with the original holding period preserved. This is the anchor out promise. Don't guess the merger. Master the surgery. Claim your Standard Edition Training Kit at fin-ghost.io/lens.